do a brief review on this TENS machine. I've got 2 videos in one. This is the device. You up the time right here, you change the modes right here, up and down for each side. We're going, boom, like these 2 things. I like buttons. Comes with a bunch of different pads. So I'm going to use these ones. I'll show you another thing for comparison. These are the same I just showed you, and it comes with these small ones. It comes with these rectangular ones as well. Comes with an extra set cords I haven't used. In case maybe one of these shorter. I've had it for about 2 months. I don't need these ones. Okay. Let's bring you down. Comes with these pads. You peel it off and you put them back on like this. This is going to send electrical impulses. Okay, see these things got like buttons on them to connect these things. Clip. Okay. On switch on top. On. And I'm gonna switch to the second mode because it'll show it a bit better. I'm gonna up it here on each side. Pretty interesting. If I put it too high, it'll, like when a doctor hits your knee, test your reflexes, it'll move my leg up in the air. Not that it's too high, but if you do go too high, it'll hurt. So go up on this thing slowly. Let's see if I can show you this here. Cups are on my one arm. On the right and the left are how strong it is. It's only halfway, and I'm telling you, I can't go any higher than that. I don't know if people can actually go full, but there's different modes on there. Click this button here. It switches it to the 3rd mode down there. And if you press over, it switches between the 6 different ones. And you crank her up again. Well, slowly go up. 3, to like 5 is usually good for me. I'll switch to something that moves quicker so you can see. Okay, I'll show you how these cups are doing.